Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TIA. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after breaking out a symmetrical triangle on a 4-hour time frame chart, it formed another rising wedge pattern, and recently you can see it was breaking out. In fact, it broke out the resistance, but it got rejected by this another resistance of $5.75. And I was telling you that in order to confirm this breakout, we need to break this resistance, but you can see that it is rejected and broke down the same rising wedge pattern that was previously broken out. And now we are re-entering the same rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of November 2023 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 130% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of November 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that TIA formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see after the completion of this final leg, it was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some correction, and once it will be re-entered inside this buying zone, then we can expect another reversal from here. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down after some price correction, re-entered the buying zone here, and then we had a very, very massive reversal. And so far, it has rallied almost 130%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TIA. And this is the 4-hour time frame chart. Previously, I have been showing you this symmetrical triangle, and you can see after the breakout, for a while it re-entered the same triangle, even dropped down up till the support of the triangle and tested this support and moved up again, tested the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and then we geared up once again. And this was, by the way, quite massive pump. If I place a measurement tool from this low when we were testing the support up till this side, and you can see it was more than 165%, very, very massive pump. And recently, you can see it formed this rising wedge pattern. And when I shared my last video with you, let me switch to the 2-hour time frame chart. Then this move will be more visible for you. You can see nicely moving between the resistance and support previously it was. And after the breakout, I was telling you that here we got a resistance of $5.75. We got 3 rejections here, and therefore we need to break out this level, or especially this one up till here, $5.95. Then this breakout will be confirmed, and you can see that the price line re-entered the same wedge. We had a bounce, made a few more attempts to break out the resistance of this same rising wedge pattern, but finally we broke it down, and now we are again re-entered this rising wedge pattern and trying to break out the resistance. If the price line will be able to break out, and I'm expecting that it can this time break out the resistance, then the target for this breakout will be here. And in that situation, we can also break out this resistance as well. And the target for this breakout will be approximately at $7.32. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Bye.